In this video, I'm going to talk you through how you go about creating a Facebook page. And if you're going to advertise on Facebook, it's a good idea to have an outstanding Facebook page to tie everything together. And this will allow you to gain a larger audience to market to, and it will ensure that when someone does go to your page, they'll have only positive experiences. Creating a Facebook page for your business is very similar to creating a profile page for yourself, and you have many of the same elements, such as information, a profile picture, and a cover image. Now, one tip here is to make sure you have strong branding that comes across in your page. A great logo makes a world of difference here, so invest the time and/or money in creating a good one. Also, consider using a writer to fill in your details, a professional copywriter to do that. And make sure that the writing style that you use matches the tone of your business. Now, they make it kind of hard to find the page to log in to create pages. So you want to come to this URL, which is facebook.com/pages/create.php. It takes you to this page here. It says create a page. And you'll see that there are various categories that you can have for your page. It can be for a local business or place, a company, organization, or institution, a brand or a product. It can be for an artist, band, or public figure. It can be entertainment or a cause or community. Now, each of these classifications will have specific fields that are unique to your page type. And it's a good idea to have all the relevant information to hand before you start putting your page together. Then what you do is simply follow the on-screen instructions as they walk you through the procedure. It's all pretty straightforward, regardless of what type of Facebook page you're going to set up. They do make it very, very easy to follow. One point that's common to all of these pages, though, is to have your logo as the profile picture. And this should be at least 180 by 180 pixels. And it's a good idea, if you don't already have a logo, to get one professionally designed, because it's just going to give a really good image about your business. So once your Facebook page is set up, you can then tie it all together with your advertising, and you'll find that things will flow very smoothly indeed.